Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset the Indesit tumble dryer. So the Indesit condenser tumble dryer reset button can be used when the heater has overheated and tripped the electrics. The location of the reset button differs with the different models. Some may be found on the back of the machine, but the basic guide for resetting is hold the Indesit tumble dryer reset button down, pressing in the red button, and if you hear it click, you know it's because of the trip electrics. So also what you can try to do is completely unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes, or like turn off the circuit breaker, and after those 5 to 10 minutes you just want to turn it back on the circuit breaker, and that should do the trick for you. So try to like that first with the red button, dry reset button, and you're gonna hear a click. So on the back of the machine, that's where you're gonna find it, and then this is how you're gonna do it.